Hello everyone friends! Today on the channel I'll show you what to do, or more specifically, how to unzip a zip file. For this, open any browser and type 7-zip. Press enter and then click the download button. Choose either the 64-bit or 32-bit version. Now click this button, then click yes. Next open our zip setup and click install. I accidentally opened two. Once installed, click close and look for our archiver. Let's say this is my archive tool. Right-click with the mouse. I need to find the location of this file. And here I have this zip file. To unpack it, right-click on it and select Extract All. Then choose where you want to extract it. Or right-click and select Open With. Choose another application. We need 7-zip. Click Always or just once. And here are our files. To extract them, drag them to desktop or use Ctrl+A and right-click to open them, or use the Move to Desktop button. This file is encrypted, so I can't show it exactly. That's all this was. Goodbye, everyone.